Hi, welcome to lesson number 5. Notes on the first and the second strings. Our main objective is that at the end of this video, you are expected to be able to call out the notes on the first and the second strings up to the 12th fret. Let us quickly do a quick reminder. In our previous two lessons, we said that this first string is called E, and then the second string is called B. Now, if this is E and this is B, we have frets. So from fret 1 up to fret 12, we are going to identify the notes on these two strings. Beginning from the E here, the first fret is F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, E flat, E. That is for the first string. Let's quickly do it again. We have E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, E flat, and E. Quickly, let's look at the second string, B. The first fret over here is C, C sharp, D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, and then B. Let's look at it again. C, no, 3 is B. Number 1, C. Sorry, C. C sharp, D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B. So these are the names or the notes on the first and then the second strings. Assessment session. I'm going to ask you some few questions, and your feedback should be sent to me on my WhatsApp number on the screen now. How do you call this note? How do you call this? Very close. How do you call this? What name is given to this? the 12th fret here on the B string. What is its name? How do you call this note? And then this side. What about this side? Good. Send your feedback to my WhatsApp number on the screen now. Meet you in the next lesson.